Am I the only one that noticed that parents will take credit for the good, but it won't take credit for the bad? But before I continue, should you like, follow, share, and comment? Especially Jamaican parents, Caribbean parents on a whole, you realize the child turned out to be a police, a doctor, a lawyer, etc., etc., etc. Those that they deem as good. They will take credit. They will shout it on the mountaintop how they help them with their homework. They ensure that they got to school on time. They sacrifice to ensure that they got everything that they needed. Right? However, if the child turn out to be something that is less than optimal for them, all of a sudden they don't know what happened. They didn't have a hand in it. I devil. And it's even funnier when they have multiple children, and let's say they have 4 children. 2 turn out to be, good, right? And they will accept it. They had a hand in it. But the other 2 turn out to be bad, and they'll be like, I don't know what happened to those 2. I don't know, I tried my best. It's just funny, but hey, share comments.